Hello, this is Mark with Forex Harvester, welcoming you to our weekly results report. For those who have yet to purchase the Forex Harvester robot, you can go to forexharvester.com, where you will find all the information you need to make an informed decision. For those who have made the right decision to purchase the robot, you have permanent access to the member area. There you will find a Q&A section that answers all of your questions, helpful video tutorials that will show you how to properly install and configure the Forex Harvester robot. There is also information on our recommended broker, where you can obtain the only Linux-based VPS service of its kind available anywhere in cyberspace. And finally, you will receive the absolute best support available for any expert advisor anywhere. We would then encourage you to register for free at meetfx.com, a social networking site, the Facebook of networking sites for the Forex trader. And finally, we would also encourage you to register for free at mt4trading.com, where everything that you need to know about MetaTrader 4 can be found there. Before we go, I would like to point out what makes Forex Harvester unique in the expert advisor marketplace, specifically what makes our robot different. First and foremost is that Forex Harvester is the first of many products and services to come. Those products will range from other expert advisors to signal services to trading rooms to manual trading strategies and so on. Our next EA, in fact, is due out soon, and we have many others in development. Our goal is to help our clients build a trading portfolio, in other words, to have a menu of choices from which to choose. And last but not least, diversification is the key to success in Forex and for any business for that matter. And that is our ultimate goal, is to help our clients to diversify to be profitable in the Forex industry. To our knowledge, there is no other group that is doing this on behalf of their clients. So we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Hello, this is Mark with the weekly video recap for the Forex Harvester Expert Advisor being traded on our live account with Gallant FX, account number 201926, for the week of June 20th, 2010. This will be a 2-week video recap, and the reason is we had hanging trades left over from the previous session. As we can see, those hanging trades did hit the full stop loss, and in fact even a bit higher. For some inexplicable reason, the euro did rise over this past weekend. It has not been behaving anywhere near the way that it normally does, and that of course has been giving our account and our expert advisor fits. We did have a loss 4 weeks ago, which was our first one in the year since January 19th, and now we have our second loss. In this case, it's 3 trades and approximately 900 plus pips. I want to stop here and say that the reason we have such a large stop loss, which is often misunderstood, is that Forex Harvester does trade the gaps that generally occur from Friday's close to Sunday's open. However, it is also a combination. It is a scalper, and it does grid trading as well. And it is very common and necessary for that type of strategy to have large stop losses. So yes, when the losses do occur, they are large. However, Harvester, as can be seen here, also has the ability to recover relatively quickly. In this case, the total loss was $508.65, which based on the risk of 20 is just about 20% of our account. However, after those losses, there were 22 total trades in one session for a total of 209 pips, and that all took place in hours, as we will see in a moment on the chart. So instantly, we already regained approximately 5% of the account in one session. We have had other sessions as high as 7.5%, and in fact this particular week we had one client report a 14.6% increase on his live account during this particular session. So we can see that Harvester went right back to work and did its job. Looking at the chart, we can see that there was indeed a very substantial gap of approximately 80 pips on the Euro-US dollar, and on the second candle the price did go all the way back down to fill the gap, and pretty much by then we were done with this session. So this is a picture perfect ideal session. They do happen from time to time. Sometimes it just takes longer than others to fill the gap. What I would like to point out as we look at the chart is a very rare circumstance has happened recently on the euro dollar. And like it or not, the market is very chaotic at this point in time due to the ongoing issues in the Eurozone, and it seems very apparent that some of the currencies are being manipulated to avoid a free fall. What you will see is approximately 4 weeks ago, there is still a gap going high that is yet to be filled. It came within about 9 pips with Gallant on their feed. However, it still has not been filled. And then if we look down here, we will also see that there is yet another gap that has yet been filled, and that is the gap right here going down. So the currency has yet to go down and fill this gap, and it is yet to go up and fill this gap. That is a very rare occurrence in gap trading. It does happen quite often, one or the other, or I should say more often. However, it is extremely rare to have both a gap up unfilled and a gap down unfilled. So we are not making excuses. However, that is the perfectly logical reason why Harvester is in a rough patch at this moment. The great news is that it's already recovering, and also we are working on adapting the robot to current market conditions. So that's it for this video recap. Thank you for your time and attention, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.